Another issue that we have out in the field a lot of times is you'll pop a hose. These things are under immense pressure, so every once in a while, even a hose in good condition can spring a leak. So anytime you lose pressure at your wand and you don't have the right amount of water, or you don't have any water and your machine's still running, that either means that your tank is empty, or it's possible that you blew a hose. And you'll know if you blow a hose because it'll be spraying all over the place and it's high pressure. So when that happens, when you pop a hose, especially if you're in the soap tank, if your chemical tube is in the soap tank because you're washing a house or whatever, you pop a hose, the pressure can change and it'll be leaking somewhere in the yard. It'll actually start drawing soap and spraying soap all over the place and bleach. So anytime you blow a hose, it's important to run, not walk, run back to the machine and shut it off as quickly as possible so you're not spraying soap all over the place. When you do pop a hose, these are 250-foot hoses. Okay, so there's two 100-foot hoses on here and a 50-foot hose. They're not just a full 250-foot length. There's two 100-foot hoses and a 50-foot hose, all connected on here. So anytime you pop a hose, you need to find out what size it is. Is it one of the 100-foot hoses, or is it the 50-foot hose? Okay, figure out what size it is, take it off using the wrenches, get rid of it, just wind it up, throw it in the back of the truck. And then we always keep spare hose, brand new hose on the truck. We keep a spare 100-foot and a spare 50-foot with the ends already on them, ready to go. So you get rid of the old hose, connect a new hose to your reel, the proper size, so you still have the 250 feet. It's important to have that length because that, if you go messing with that, it can change the ratio of soap that it's drawing. So these are set up to run 250 foot of hose, and that's why we keep a 100-footer and a 50-footer on all the trucks. If you do end up blowing a hose and have to change one, it's best just to pitch the old one, because once they start blowing out, I mean, you can get them fixed, but it'll probably just blow out again somewhere else a week later. So once they're wore out, they're wore out. We throw them away, get rid of them. If the ends are still good, we'll take the ends off and save them and then pitch the hose. But then just let your crew leader know, or let me know, that we need another extra hose on the truck because you had to use one. So we always have these two hoses on the truck at all times.